handle this by myself because I'm the professional around here. And here comes my very good friend, Mr. F. Edison. The Legacy Champion. Okay. I offered, boss. Unfortunately, Mr. Edison is having kind of a rough night after the opening bout, but we still have the Legacy Champion right here, and we have... in the struggle. We have all kinds of stuff going on out here. Well. So now we have Black Lightning coming out here. We have Matt Fish out here, and X-Man. Well, I guess he took my place and went home when he should have. Well, the chronological son has returned. I don't know. Has to do what's going on. I have no idea, Mr. Edison. I don't run things around here. I just sit here and do my job, and that's it. I thought Black Lightning was facing Jeff Irwin.
Why? What do you possibly want? I have had a terrible day. Is this because you're on your face page, your Insta books, and you're talking about, oh, I'm the rookie, I'm the new guy, I want a title shot against the most handsome Legacy Championship in the history of the world? Is that why you're out here? Are you out here to run your mouth and just ask, please, enlighten me? You know why I'm here. Are you here? Shut up! Not today! Because I'm going to foul through myself and I'll make cycling glasses swirl off your face! I know what's going to happen. He's going to call the authorities. He's going to get me escorted out. I'm not going to touch you. Get away from me, crybaby cats. That's your new name, because aren't you in the losing mood tonight? So, we're going to make this pretty short and sweet. I've seen your buddy Travis before lose his championship on the That's too soon. So, I'm here for the same reason. Now I want my title shot. Listen, you're a rookie. You're what? 1-0 that I've noticed. You won the last time we were here. You have a match tonight. Listen, I'm a fair guy. You're new to the organization. You've just come in. Don't get too close. You have
So who's Black Lightning's wrestling Randall Fairway, right? No, Randall Fairway isn't out here. Tish and Randall had this time for themselves, and Black Lightning just interrupted them. So here. Academy can have better luck than what's his name earlier. I was just thinking that it's kind of ironic that, you know, we have a member of the Cage Academy out here, and you decided to join us. I can only imagine you're probably out here scouting. It's been a long few months. Apparently I missed a lot while I was gone. You know how it is in pro wrestling. You miss a month, you miss a year. You've missed quite a lot around here with the Cage for Child tournament and everything else. Let's just say that food poisoning is horrible, especially when it came from your former executive vice president, who we shall not mention anymore. So, there we go. Bell's rung, and I'll tell you what, this Jeff early here, this young kid is a blue chipper. The stuff that he can do in a ring is actually pretty amazing. Can you imagine if he had the right tutelage, where he could get talent possible of it, when you gave him up? You know, this is an interesting match because I can't tell you who the quicker out of the two is going to be. I mean, I know Lightning definitely has them beat experience-wise. That's what's going to come down to. It's going to come down to that experience factor for Black Lightning. Jeff is quick, Jeff is fast, but Lightning is no spot in that ring. Why is the millionaire voice fire coming out here? Well, probably the reason it's out here. Oh, don't get me started about those guys. Oh, yeah, you're not too happy with them. No. I got to start with some champion who I'm kind of missing right now. Who said you guys could come out here and clown around? Again, scouting. They're out here scouting new talent. I don't blame them. You know, for a bunch of billionaires, why is there looking like this shirt? That's my shirt, you know. What was that? You're for a bunch of billionaires. Oh, why does it look like they shot at Goodwill? For a bunch of billionaires, they dress pretty cheap. Another hip hop by Jeff Irwin. Jeff is taking to Black Lightning right now. Number one drop kick by Jeff Irwin. Like I said, this Jeff, he is a blue. Lightning's not safe out there. And he's going against one of the best in Black Lightning. Black Lightning is, again, he's a guy we have called many matches. Oh, many. We know this guy like the back of our hand. We know what he's capable of. See, I hate to tell you what, but that's a mistake. Jeff Irwin should have been all over him. Instead, he let him catch his breath. Yeah, I think that he should have been following him out there. Should have been chasing him down. Don't let him get, especially Black Lightning. Black Lightning is something you do not underestimate. Collar and elbow tie up. Very nice done. It's a side headlock by Jeff Irwin. Yep. Grab the hair. Well, you know you have the joint in the match. That's what's going to happen. That's why I never had dreadlocks. Let's face it. I mean, Paul Baldwin got yanked out by his. Someone take it. Oh, that might have been just above the belt. Referee didn't call for the bell, but he's not wearing a belt. That's a good point, Fish. Thank you. Did I really disagree with that, Fish? Kind of weirded me out a little bit too. Well, that's true. The part-timer? He's got prior commitments to nothing. It's more to the green fair wrestling. Fair enough. Nothing is more important in wrestling. Oh, I agree on here. I got what I mean. Lightning, watch this. A little bit of celebrating for the crowd, a little chicken dance for the right hand. Jeff is down. I think Lightning wasted a little bit too much time playing to this crowd. You're going to have my grief, Sandra. Now, see, if Marcus Cage was a good trainer, he would help out his students by, like, knocking Lightning off the top rope right now. Oh, my God, did you just see that kick on the top rope by Jeff? That was an unbelievable maneuver. That's what I said. I mean, this Jeff is a great athlete. Oh, he is. He's gonna go places. Yeah, once he leaves Cage, that's the smartest thing he gets. Down hard. Well, I am hiring. Well, this guy could use a good mentor. This Cage. Oh, man. That's one of them patented Black Lightning maneuvers. That's it. Black Lightning with the incline plane. A little preemptive with that microphone, aren't we, Owen? I thought that was it. They should have been in. That could have been it, but Jeff Irwin's got a lot of light. Well, that's the thing. Jeff Irwin, for what we've seen in his matches, he has an ability to come back. He takes a beat and just keep on going. Takes a look and keep on ticking, as the old saying goes. But Black Lightning is just as resilient. What are you counting his faces down, you idiot? What's wrong with this referee? I don't know. This referee don't know jack. Get it? I saw Mike Edwards line. We need the monkey jack. This referee's still new, right? I mean, I won't learn his name anyway, but I guess if you can count somebody while their face is on the mat, I guess that counts, right? Yeah, apparently so with this guy. I'll keep that in mind. I don't know where he got hit from. What a nice drop kick by the Black Mamba. Black Lightning. Oh, cannonball in the corner. Lightning is on fire here tonight. Well, he's trying to make a point tonight. And that point is hitting on Test Edison's bad side. Not a good idea. I've had a lot of respect for Lightning over the years. I've had another kind word for him. But going against Black Lightning is just, or going against Test Edison is not smart. Black Lightning. Had to have Jeff up. Oh, man, Jeff caught him without his foot. I don't think he caught all that kick, though, but he might have caught enough. I think he might have more stunned Black Lightning, as you said, didn't catch it all, but can we see an upset here? It's always possible. We've seen a lot of weird things with Phoenix Pro. An upset would be unheard of. Runs it in the what a maneuver! That is a... Oh, I thought he had him. That's a standing one-man span. What a Black Lightning is no spots in the ring. He's up many up wide. He dropped him right on his head. Man, and again, look at Lightning. Lightning getting back to his feet. That was a sick move by Jeff Irvin. Top rope. Oh! Wow, what a drop kick. What a drop kick. Lightning's got to be out 2. No, Lightning. Oh! Man, 2 3/4. Lightning kicks out. That would have been an upset. Why don't you give him yours? Are they still talking down there? I forgot these clowns were out here. My lawyers have a 10 title thing. Here we go, heading up to the top rope. You heard it, Taylor. To the top. Can he end it? Jeff Irwin going for it all. Oh, got the knees up with the swanton bomb. That's going to be it. Black Lightning. I don't think he has it. He's blocking it. Trying to block it up to the shoulders. Oh, man. Yeah, that has to be it. Dead to right. That's got to be it. 10-3. Black Lightning. Hey, Nomad! So close, yet so far away. I'm a commentator. I was invited 0 for 2, Cage. 0 for 2. I don't know. I think he gave him a run for his money. But in the end, Black Lightning. Well, see, if I was managing these young guys, they'd be on a huge winning streak right now. Yeah, they'd be 0 and 15. So that's Owen. And it's Owen O'Neill, not Owen 15, you idiot. I didn't say nothing about Owen O'Neill. I said if Fitz would manage him, Jeff Irvin would be Owen 15 by now. That's not Owen 15, that's Owen O'Neill. Oh, you spot. Maybe I'm going to go home. Got the Billionaire Boys Circus out here. Hey, that's Fonton Fontana right there, along with his caddy, Kevin Calloway. I have missed way too much. I got a nice shirt on. Yeah, they probably wouldn't because it's too big on me now. Hey, I want my